Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To improve battery life on this device, you need to open the Win, then open Settings. Find here your system settings, so click System, scroll down, find here Battery, Power and Battery. Here you need to find Power Mode, click on it, and click here Recommended. Here we need to click Recommended, or Better Performance, or Best Performance, but I suggest to click Recommended. Then choose Battery Saver, click on it, and click Turn on Now. Then of course you need to decrease your screen brightness, and cool, that's it. In this way we can improve battery life on our Surface 7 Pro device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!